Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So basically, by managing, I mean adding or removing the Google account from the device. So in order to do that, we have to enter the settings. And now let's scroll down to find passwords and accounts. Of course, here you've got the Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using this section. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, right here we've got actually two different Google accounts added to this device. So let me first of all remove them. All you have to do is to simply tap on the particular account and tap on remove account. Then tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Let me remove also this one. Tap on remove, tap on OK. And as you can see, sometimes it will be protected with your password, I mean the screen lock. So just enter it to confirm the whole step, and as you can see, the Google account has been removed successfully. So now let's add new one. Of course, you can add a new one if you've got others currently set. As you saw, I had two different Google accounts. Here, let's tap on Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for this operation. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, and let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it entered, so we can tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Now let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.